biggest fear is that we'll not figure out the answers in time.
The uncertainty that we live with is enormously challenging.
The world has a lot of problems, and fortunately, a lot of entrepreneurs to try to solve them.
The 5,000 people are coming from different countries, from different walks of life. That is the beginning of the change that we need.
People who are willing to go first are what is driving our innovation.
Human beings are built for resilience, and creativity often emerges in times of great struggle.
We have to be able to dream of a future if we're going to be able to walk into it together.